Guys, and welcome back to the final review, where today we'll be reviewing the Hunter Spider Pro Gaming headset with a backlight and a lot more features. So just opening the box up now and pulling the headset up, we immediately are greeted by a nice big blue headset. Feels very quality for the very low price of only about $20, which is very nice for this kind of a good quality gaming headset. And gaming headsets are quite expensive in the first place, so one for this kind of price is basically one of the biggest bargains you could ever get in your life for gaming equipment. Now, simply undoing all the cords and taking off the Velcro. It has a 3-meter long cord, which is perfect if you want to plug it straight into your Xbox or PS4 via USB, or just into your controller via the headphone jack, which is very nice. So just taking the piece of plastic off the headset, we can immediately see that it has 2 connections and that the headset is very well packaged for its very low price. The headset in the box, it also comes with a few connectors and stuff to use the headset with a PC if you've got 2 different connection cables, one for microphone and one for outputting audio. Also, it comes with an instruction manual, black and white, because no one really reads them anymore, but still quite useful if you didn't know how to use it. It also comes with a really good feeling quality little control panel with a mute switch and volume controls here, which is really helpful when sometimes you cannot turn the volume up in your current game because you need to go to settings and stuff. You can just use the simple part. We will plug in the headset and see the backlights in a second. We're back with a power bank. We just undo the nice plastic thingy, and as soon as we plug in the headset, you can see it really light up and change colours, which is really nice if you've got like a colourful keyboard on your gaming setup, or you've got like backlights if you're a YouTube gamer or whatever. If you're a streamer, this is also really nice for your stream. The headset uses surround sound audio and 3D headset mode on most games. It is adjustable by simply doing this, and this is ultra affordable, and it is one of the most comfortable headsets with this is not real leather, but it feels really nice, and the cushion and the sound quality is really quite high, and really well done if you're playing a game. The headset will not break and can bend like that, really bendy and very durable. The only issue is if you're using this for a long period of time, this part here will start to get quite worn. But it is a very nice headset and will work with surround sound audio and all of that stuff if you really need it. The headset is made by a trusted company who also specializes in a lot of other headsets for gaming, but this one is one of the best, and the cheapest they actually do as well. The headset has a lot of other features and can be very well, and like I said, is a very adjustable experience, with one of the main features being surround sound for such a low price. Yes, you could just plug in a normal headset with a aux cable, but that does not suffice, as gaming headsets are made especially for console users and for PC. Because with consoles like the Xbox, for example, there is no way to turn up the volume on your Xbox game that's why you need to turn it up on your actual TV. But that doesn't work either. So that's why a gaming headset is so important if you want to use a headset during gaming. With the adjustable wheel here, which you can adjust your audio perfectly on. This also looks really, really nice if you're like, if someone walks into your room and they'll be very, very like amazed by your very cheap setup. If you're gonna say this, the microphone's very adjustable and it sounds really well actually. There will be a microphone test right now. This is the microphone test with the Hunter Spider Gaming Pro gaming headset, and this is the audio you can expect from it. This is the audio you can expect from it. Hello. Hello everybody. Hello, hello. And that is the microphone test. It has Hunter Spider logos on here and is very, very sharp in its design, but this makes it really look not very bad. The logos and stuff are all put in the right place and it just feels really comfortable on your head. The noise cancelling is quite very noticeable. As soon as you put this on, noise cancelling instantly comes out as soon as your microphone is like this. The noise cancelling and noise reduction is instantly put on as soon as you put it on your hair. You can easily notice how much the difference is when you take it on or off. This can also be really, really useful when you're like in the middle of a game and you need to take it off to hear someone. Sadly, there is no way to turn off the noise cancellation, which can get annoying, but then I guess it's only $20. £15, $20, which is really a really good price for such a good quality gaming headset, which has also passed its test in 2020. And this is the Model V1, which is made in China, but you can rest assured it will have no coronavirus on it. I might get. Don't demonetize me, YouTube. I don't get monetized yet. Just another reminder, our merch has just dropped and there will be a huge giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So please get us there because we need because we've got way too much stuff now and everything we have reviewed will be given away at the very end of... Wait. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, okay? I was very confused for a second. This is my personal headset. And to be honest, this is exactly what I mean by the cable. After 2 years of use, the cable has broken. But it still works, surprisingly. And the microphone gets a lot, nicer. Cable can also like break after wear and tear, but that's what you can expect after using a headset very regularly for a few years. It's a very nice design and the acrylics on the top are really well done and it just feels really nice on your head. It also over time will adjust to your head shape and it will be able to fit most head sizes. So I really recommend it if you're going to get it. There will be an eBay link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're new. Remember, huge giveaway at 1,000 subscribers where we will be giving away the fake iPhone 11 Pro, the Ulefone S10. We will even be giving away this gaming headset here. We'll be giving away everything we've ever reviewed. AirPods, fake AirPods right here, fake AirPods, we will be giving away these. We'll be giving away loads of brand new AirPods, 1,000 subscribers. We have brand new AirPods that we will be giving away. We've got 3 pairs of AirPods right here for the giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. 3 pairs of AirPods. Beautiful. And one of them is fake. This one here is fake, but we're going to still give it away. Also, if you want to buy some, go to our merch site at thefinalreview.co.uk. That is thefinalreview.co.uk. Please subscribe to the video. Oh my god. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. And please, please, please subscribe. And I'm out.